Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a topic called as CSF, Critical Success Factors. Managers think about knowing which critical factors will lead to success for their organization. CSF means strategic factors. Friends, we are going to see critical success factors for a toothpaste manufacturing company. We can identify four critical success factors: freshness, form, foam, and flavor. So the company has to excel in these qualities besides building up a high loyalty. Let us take another example. Let us find out critical success factors for courier service. There can be three critical success factors: speedy dispatch, reliability, and price. Dear friends, there are certain three steps to determine the success factors. First, the company may ask itself, what does it take to be successful in business? Second, what should be the objectives of an organization with respect to critical success factors? Third, identifying the measures of performance to know whether the organization had been successful on these factors. So, these are the steps to determine success factors. Let us take an example for critical success factors for petroleum industry. It can be high capital requirement, but this critical success factor is not valid for software development sector. Organizations critical success factors arises out of the competitive strategy. Different industries have different critical success factors. As we have seen, CSF for petroleum industry is high capital requirement, but this is not true for software development sector. Now we can see there are certain CSF factors which you need to identify while solving a case study. The critical success factors can be technology related, manufacturing related, distribution related, marketing related, skills related, and organizational capability related. Critical success factors needs KPI in order to be measured. Now, critical success factors, there's an assignment for you. If for fast moving consumer goods, that is FMCG industry, the critical success factor is sales promotion, then what will be the critical success factor for civil aviation? You just need to answer and send a pic of that to me for the same. Critical success factors, we need to understand the competitive strategy of a component. First component is industry position, whether the company is a leader or a challenger. Next is environmental factors, that is government regulation. Before deregulation of telecom sector, customer service was not considered as customer critical success factors. But after the deregulation of telecom sector, it was considered as critical success factors. Let us take again an example of toothpaste. For toothpaste industry, the critical success factor is quality in foam, quality in form, quality in flavor, and quality in freshness. Wide area distribution network, high level of production, and brand loyalty. For food processing industry, the critical success factors can be high quality product, packaging, efficient distribution network, and sales promotion. If we take courier service, the critical success factors can be speedy dispatch, reliability, and price. If we take automobile industry, the critical success factors can be styling, that is style, strong dealer network, manufacturing cost control, and ability to meet environmental standards. After identifying the critical success factors, industry can measure its strength and weakness in the light of critical success factors. Company ask itself, do the organization strength and match the requirement of various critical success factors? If yes, strengths are sufficient to compete successfully. To measure critical success factors, you need KPI, that is key performance indicators, which we are going to see in the next lecture. Thank you for being patient to understand the concept called as critical success factors.